Hello everyone, Namaste dosto. Before starting the session, I just want to say that we all have to believe on ourselves because अपने आप पे विश्वास और यकीन होगा तभी तो प्रॉब्लम और चुनौतियों से लड़ पाएंगे. To start with optimistic lines, the consequences of today's pandemic will emerge far more quickly, and with the benefit of foresight, we can try to mitigate them, capitalize on them, and build a more resilient global system in process. While talking about my first point, virtualization. As we all know, currently our businesses and personal life have become virtual. So now students will be preferring online learning, sales representative will be making electronic pitch rounds for their client. So companies and businesses with strong digital capabilities will be excelling currently and in near future. For example, recently doctors are giving consultancy over phone call or video call. So physician, ENT and other doctors can also start giving consultancy online by understanding patient's problem, by hearing his or her symptoms, and then can provide a proper medicine prescription. Gym and fitness companies can also shift to live streaming exercise classes and releasing at-home workout plans. So shift to technology keeps the gym connected to customer. In my second point, if we talk about auto industry, the companies who will be the strongest means fighting for the survival, and most adaptable means changing with the time and market requirement will be winning in long run, as auto industry is already transforming massive investment towards electric and autonomous vehicle technologies. So use of competitive strategy can help, and it's a complete shakeout for the auto industry. Now I will be talking about how companies and businesses are making big transformation to stay alive and stay relevant by explaining with an example of aviation industry. As we all know, more than 90% of airlines have cancelled their flights. So what large airlines like Virgin Atlantis, Lufthansa, United and American Airlines are doing. So these commercial airlines are now started offering cargo flights, or we can say temporarily shifting towards cargo or transport flights, as they can utilize the empty passenger seats and cabin also to transport much needed items like healthcare, grocery, etc. etc. Few examples of transformation and digitalization of businesses. Harvard converted full classroom study into web-based videos. Domino's started contactless delivery. Swiggy and Zomato now started delivering grocery and ration. Skoda, Jeep, Toyota and other automobile companies started e-booking. I believe this is applicable for every industry, sector or a business, and I hope will be beneficial to help in increasing businesses. Explaining with an example, if a business owner can convince me as a customer that by visiting your store or a place, I will not be infected, because as you are equipped with facilities like quick test of every customer who is entering your shop, also maintaining social distancing and taking all other necessary precautions. So once I get rid of fear that I will not be infected from visiting your store or a outlet, then I hope every single customer from your market will be visiting your business. So now psychology and mentality of customers and people will play major role, and as a business owner, how we can market them and send a powerful message in our customers or our audience mindset. So ending my podcast on a positive note, be creative, get practical and help people through this difficult time. Jai Hind.